negative 360, negative 360, and I keep going, okay, I keep going. Let me see how much more. This is my negative, my positive. But they gave me radians. I need to give my answers in radians. If you don't follow, the explanation, you're gonna get lost. It's just that I just need to give my answer in radians. They gave me radians. They gave me radians right here. I need to give radians. Okay, my answer is negative 2 pi over 9. So I found my angles are negative 40, 60. They gave me radians. I need to give radians back. And also, so this is going to be my answer. They gave me radians. I need to give radians. And then 680 into radians. 5 over 180. The 0 cancels. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. That will be, if I'm okay with this, it's going to be positive 34 pi over 9. I sketch the angle, 320, right here, which is the red angle, 320, 16 pi over 9, and I need to coterminals. The easy one for me is this angle. Well, positive, I go in the positive direction, and I go 320 more, or 16 pi over 9 more, 360, an additional 320 on the positive direction. That totals 680. I just convert 680 into radians. Okay, let me go to reference angles, guys. I'm just making sure you understand what is being asked, give you some problems, but okay. Well, let's find references, okay? It's just one. There's no two, there's no positive, it's just one. By the way, it's always positive. This angle is always positive, okay? My answer must follow all this right here, okay? Well, I'm about to give you some examples. Let me start with something, let's say, let me start with something that is not on the unit circle. I need the reference angle, so I want to call alpha the given angle. Being alpha something like something ugly, like let's say negative 155. Okay, I need the reference. Once again, I give you degrees, give me degrees. Guys, I'm used to sketch. If I don't sketch, I don't see it. Okay, I know some of you start like adding. I don't know where you got the rules, but it's up to you. I know there are more than one way of doing the problem. I know students start like adding 360 because if this is complementary. So confusing. I don't like those cooking recipes. I want to see it. I want to sketch it. Alpha negative 155. Okay, I just sketch the given. Is the angle formed? So this is created. Okay, is the angle formed with the terminal side of the given angle? Well, if it is the angle formed, is the angle formed? So you will see this very convenient, so you can see it. Negative. I create a triangle with the x-axis by doing the altitude. We're not going to be asking you for cosines and sines. We're just going to ask you for the reference angle, not functions values of the reference angle. We're not. We're just going to say find a reference angle. Well, if it is the angle formed plus how much more past 90, 65 more in the negative direction, my reference angle is the angle formed. That's it, guys. Let me give you a couple. This is the test, guys. This is the test. I don't think we are doing something like it's crazy or, I mean, so hard. My best recommendation, sketch, work with the given. I work with the given. Once I sketch, I see the answer. When I used to teach geometry back then, uh, I always say dump the information. Okay, let me give you another one. Let me give you something now like in radix. Any question, by the way, with the reference angles? This is it. This is it. Okay, all the skills that we know. One more because I want to do functions values. I know students have more trouble with that. Okay, can you find a reference angle for something like, let me give you something like, let's say negative 13 pi over 4. Give me a reference. I'm working on my own, and this is gonna be, I know this is the equivalent of negative, if I'm correct, 585. I want to sketch, let's say this is alpha, find theta, reference angle. Well, I want to sketch it. So this means I go on the negative direction once